as you can see on your screen right now, this channel is making $411 to $6,600 per day. So this is not the only way that the channel is monetized. When you look at the description of the channel, you can see that they have another way that they monetize the videos on this channel. So when I look at the videos in this channel, they are just rainstorm videos. So I'm going to show you step by step in this video how to re-upload rainstorm videos for free and then earn money on YouTube without any skills, without any experience, and without any investment. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. When you come to this channel, you can see that it just made a video like this: white noise, black screen, as you can sleep steady, focus 10 hours. And this video, there is nothing, it's just some rain sound, and that is all. It's just a black screen. Let me play it for you to see. You can see, as you can see, nothing. And this video, you can see this video has got 85 million views since it was uploaded. These are simple videos that you can make even if you have no editing skills. So as you can see, when you come to the channel right here, you can see it has 2.4 million subscribers, and you can see people like videos like this. When you come here, you can see this video, it just uploaded it 4 days ago, and you can see it has over 20,000 views. When you click on it, as you can hear, this is just thunderstorm sounds, and you can make videos like this. So when you scroll down, you can see that this channel is getting, as you can see, 126 million views, and you can see 118 million views. And this kind of videos, they are going to be earning you money lifetime, because people like videos like this, people like it. So when you come here, you can see that these are some of the videos that the channel owner has recently uploaded. When you scroll down here, you can see another one here: epic thunder and rainstorm sounds. You can see 18 million views. You can see another one: rainforest rain sounds for sleeping or studying. You can see 12 million views. You can see another one, 12 million views. You can see 11 million views. So this is a simple passive income idea that you can use to make money on YouTube just by re-uploading thunderstorm videos. So when you search on YouTube, you can see these kinds of videos are getting millions of views. You can see this is the channel that I've shown you, and you can see another one here, 40 million views. And when you scroll further, you can see another one here, 139 million views. And then these videos, they are even up to 6 years old, and they are still making money to the channel owner. So when you scroll down, you can see just in the matter of month, heavy rainstorm and strong thunder sounds for sleeping, you can see more than 500,000 views. So this is simple videos that you can make to earn money online. So what you are going to do is that you are going to download a software called shortcut.com. This is a free open source video editor that you can use to edit any kind of video that you want. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on it and then download it. Once you download it onto your computer, the next thing is to find videos just like this so that you can download them and edit them. So let me show you. When you come to this website, pexels.com, you can get free stock images, you can get free stock videos to use for any kind of project that you want. So when you come here, you can get thunderstorm videos for free. As I search here thunderstorm, you can see these are free videos that I can use for anything that I want. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to come here and then download this video. So if you want a video like this, just go to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is how the video looks like. And when you come here, you can see free to use. So these are free stock images that you can use to upload onto YouTube for free. And you can see this is just some thunderstorms. As you can see, there is thunder in, that is it. You can see just like that. So what you are going to do is that you are going to now download a video like this. So you click on the download button. So as you can see, this video is now saving onto my PC. So once you download the video, you are now going to find your thunder sound so that you can edit the videos and the sound together. You are going to put it together, then re-upload it onto YouTube, just using the titles that these channels are using, so that you can make money online for free on YouTube. And I'm going to show you a simple method that you can also use to even increase your income with YouTube. So keep watching, give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to leave a comment below. So as you can see, this is a website that you can get sounds for free. The name of this website is bbcsoundseffects.com. so you are going to come to this website and search for thunderstorm sound so that you can use them for your video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just type in thunderstorm sound. Once you search for thunderstorm sound, you are going to see a whole lot of different sounds that you can select here. So as you can see, there's another one here, you can see another one here, and as I scroll you can see many of them. So you are just going to select the one that you want. So I just play this one and let me play it for you to see. So as you can hear, just the sound of rain at the background. So what you are going to do is that once you are okay with the sound, you are just going to come here, click on download. You are going to download it as an MP3 audio. So once you download it, you can see I have already downloaded it. Once you download it, you are now going to go to your video editor, which I've shown you. As you can see, shortcut, and what you are going to do is that you are going to upload these videos here, and then you can start editing your videos so that you can re-upload them onto YouTube. So let me show you. What you are going to do is that you are just going to drag them and start editing. As you can see, this is the first clip, and you are going to bring another clip. So what you are going to do is that you are going to drag another clip and add it here. To do that, so you drag another video and add it to your clip. So as you can see, once you've done that, you are going to now make the transition nice. When it's transitioning from one clip to the other, people will not realize. Once you have your clip ready, you are now going to add your sound. So to do that, you are just going to come to this three dotted lines and then click on it. So once you click on the three dotted line here, the next thing is to now select audio. So you are going to click on that. So once you select audio, when you scroll down here, you can see that there's a place for you to insert your audio. So you are now going to insert the sound that you downloaded from BBC Sound Effects. There's another website that you can also get free sounds. The name is freesound.org. So here you can also come to get free sounds. So when you search in thunderstorms, you can get free sounds. Thunderstorms. So once I said that, you can see a number of videos here. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them that I can download any of them that I choose. So let me play this one for you to see. As you can hear, this one, the noise is not all that loud. Let me go to the second one. Let me play this one. Yes, as you can hear. So these are free sounds that you can download. So once you download your free sounds either from this website or BBC Sounds Effects, you are now going to add it onto your video. So to do that, so you are going to just drag the audio that you downloaded onto your video editor. So as you can see, you are just going to come here and then place the audio here. Once you place the audio here, it has now combined. And when you come to YouTube, you can see that the videos are up to 10 hours long. So you are just going to find time to also repeat this process so that you can get 10 hours video. So once you repeat the clips and then it's up to 10 hours, you are just going to render it and then upload it to YouTube. As you can see right now, we have up to 4 minutes. So you are just going to repeat the process and you are going to get 10 hours video. So let me play it for you to see. As you can see, this is a thunderstorm video and it's just free and it's simple as that. So the only thing that you need to do is that you are going to repeat this particular clip so that you get 10 hours video so that you can compete with big channels like this. So you are going to also repeat the same process so that you can get 10 hours video. So once you get your 10 hours video, the next thing is to now render this video out. So to render, you are just going to come to this area, then choose here YouTube. Once you select YouTube, you are now going to export your file. Once you export your file, you can now upload it onto YouTube. Now, how do you make money making this kind of videos? So the first method is that when you get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join Google AdSense and then they will be placing ads on your videos. So YouTube will be placing ads on your videos. So once they place ads on your videos, you are going to be paid per every 1,000 views that you get, And when you scroll down, as you can see this channel, these are affiliate links that they put under the description, so you can equally monetize your YouTube channel with affiliate links. So as you can see, these are products from Amazon. So once the viewers purchase these products, the owner of this channel is going to earn a commission per every sale. So what you are going to do is that you are also going to monetize your videos with Amazon affiliate products. So you don't need 1,000 subscribers to monetize your YouTube channel. You can do this even if you have 0 subscribers. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to Amazon. Once you come to amazon.com, scroll down to the bottom of it. So you scroll down. Once you scroll down, when you scroll down, you are going to select this option, become an affiliate. So once you click on become an affiliate, you can join Amazon affiliate marketing, and once you join, you can promote literally any product on Amazon. So once you get your affiliate links and put them under the description of your videos, when people purchase it, Amazon is going to pay you a commission for that, and they have 10% commission, 5% commission, and then they have 8% commission. So you can be earning money with this method even if you have not reached the 4,000 watch hours or the 1,000 subscribers requirement. So this is a simple strategy, and it does not take your time, it does not require any investment. So you can literally start right after watching this video. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.